My first boat was my grandparents' bed. I would cross the stormy seas, exploring the corners of my imagination. The captain, discovering new land, fighting pirates and finding treasure. The dining table, my secret hideout. The sofa, my helicopter. The burgundy rug, my landing area after the daredevil skydive from the edge of the worn-away cushions. I was unstoppable. Afternoons with my grandparents were full of possibility, a taste of real adventure. But what is adventure? An unusual, exciting, or dangerous experience, journey, or series of events. Spot on. On November 15th, 2019, we set sail from Marathon, Florida. 3 friends on a 41-foot ketch, taking our first ocean voyage after living on a 26-foot sloop on the Great Lakes. Our plan? To cross the 990 nautical miles from Marathon to Luperón in the Dominican Republic. This is the first chapter of our adventure. Where it all began.
Beyond the power, but we're, isn't it?